When the US prohibited American dollar transactions with the Russian central bank and fully blocked the Russian direct investment fund, some financial institutions were being asked whether or not they would follow the US Treasury Department's path. One of which is Binance. What is their stand regarding this matter? Let's find out in the video, so sit tight. Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Intel. Cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance were being asked whether or not they will follow the US Treasury Department's step in blocking Russian central bank transactions for their American citizens and freezing the bank's assets based in the US. As we all know, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange, which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. It was initially based in China, but later moved its headquarters out of China since the Chinese government's regulation regarding cryptocurrency has been increasing. That is why it's important for financial investors to know where they stand on holding assets and making transactions to and from Russia. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. Alright, so Ukraine's Vice Prime Minister, Mikhailo Fedorov, made a call in the past, asking cryptocurrency exchanges to block all Russian user accounts. He specifically said, "I'm asking all major crypto exchanges to block addresses of Russian users. It's crucial to freeze not only the addresses linked to Russian and Belarusian politicians, but also to sabotage ordinary users." Belarus is a Russian ally. This is why it is important for crypto users to know how trading will go for Binance, being the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Apparently, Binance is likely to continue much the same as normal. Binance has no plans for a unilateral freeze to millions of innocent users' accounts, though it said it would block the accounts of specific individuals who are affected by the sanctions. Russia is a major market for Binance, which counts more than 113,000 members in its Russian-language Telegram channel. The company did note that should international sanctions be further expanded, it would apply those aggressively as well. According to a Binance spokesperson, crypto is meant to provide greater financial freedom for people across the globe. To unilaterally decide to ban people's access to their crypto would fly in the face of the reason to why crypto exists. I mean, if we look at the value the Binance holds, they stay true to the fact that they aim to increase the freedom of money globally. They also believe that by spreading this freedom, we can significantly improve lives around the world. This is why they had to bring up the phrase financial freedom in the recent inquiry raised to Binance to remind the public about the value they hold. Binance wasn't the only crypto exchange to reject the call for a complete blackout of Russian traders. There's also Coinbase. The two exchanges are diverging from mainstream finance in a way some anti-money laundering experts and European regulators say weakens Western attempts to isolate Moscow. Coinbase Chief Executive Officer Brian Armstrong said in a series of tweets that Coinbase believes everyone deserves access to basic financial services unless the law says otherwise. The exchange is willing to enforce such a blanket ban if the US government decides to impose one. The CEO thought that a unilateral and total ban would punish ordinary Russian citizens who were enduring historic currency destabilization as a result of their government's aggression against a democratic neighbor. Kraken Exchange also rejected the call of banning Russian crypto traders. Jesse Powell, CEO of the Kraken Exchange, said he understood the reasoning behind the request, but was also declining. Powell said in a series of tweets that they cannot freeze the accounts of our Russian clients without a legal requirement to do so. He thought that Russians should be aware that such a requirement could be imminent, and that requirement could come from their own government, as we have seen in Canada in response to protests bank runs, and attempts to flee the country. It could also come from foreign states like the US as a weapon to turn the Russian populace against its government's policies. Powell also believes that the vast majority of crypto holders on Kraken Exchange are anti-war. He even brought up Bitcoin as the embodiment of libertarian values, which strongly favor individualism and human rights. He reiterated to the public that the mission of Kraken Exchange is to bridge individual humans out of the legacy financial system and bring them into the world of crypto, where arbitrary lines on maps no longer matter, where they don't have to worry about being caught in broad, indiscriminate wealth confiscation. Powell believes that their mission is better served by focusing on individual needs above those of any government or political faction. And we quote, "The people's money is an exit strategy for humans, a weapon for peace, not for war. Besides, if we were going to voluntarily freeze financial accounts of residents of countries unjustly attacking and provoking violence around the world, step one would be to freeze all US accounts. As a practical matter, that's not really a viable business option for us." Qcoin, another cryptocurrency exchange, told CNBC it would not freeze Russian user accounts. They reiterated that they are a neutral platform, so unless there is a legal requirement, they will not freeze the accounts of any users. Major crypto exchanges have been urged to ban their services in Russia to prevent sanctioned entities from parking their assets using cryptocurrencies. The exchanges, however, insist they are well equipped to avoid abuse of their platforms. Okay, don't get them wrong, crypto companies aren't turning a blind eye to the crisis. In fact, Binance pledged to donate at least $10 million to humanitarian efforts addressing the growing refugee problem. Meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin has jumped following the Russian invasion of Ukraine, as people in those countries look to store and move money in anonymous and decentralized crypto. Bitcoin enjoys conflict currency credentials and remains unaffected by a hit to its much-touted potential as a safe haven asset in recent months because of price moves that often mimic the broader market. Some global corporate giants have taken more aggressive measures to cut off ties with Moscow. ExxonMobil, XOM.N as its native token, said it would exit oil and gas operations in Russia, while Boeing Co., BA.N as its native token, has suspended parts, maintenance, and technical support for Russian airlines. Cryptocurrency is playing a major role in both funding Ukraine's defense against Russia and supporting the NGOs and volunteer groups aiding the country. That's all for this video. What do you think about the stand of Binance and the rest of the cryptocurrency exchanges and company giants regarding the ties they have with their Russian users? Let us know in the comments below. If you learned anything from our videos or have any crypto-related topic that you want us to cover, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. See you in our next video!